Welcome to Smart Life Solutions. Today's video I'm going to show you how to change a charging cable for a Samsung Galaxy 10.1 inch tablet, model number GTP5210. First you need to remove the back of the unit and then let's test if it's charging. There's no response to anything, there's nothing on the screen, so it looks it's not charging. The charging cable is in the middle of the unit, which is going across the battery. Carefully remove the top part and the bottom part. Replace the cable with a new one. Be careful on the bottom part. You need to connect the little pin as well, because that little pin controls the home button. If you don't connect the little pin, the home button won't work. So once we change the lead, recommend to secure down with a screw or two. So let's see again if it's charging this time. So once you plug it in, there is a little charger sign must come up on the screen. Fingers crossed it's coming up. Yes, it clearly shows that it's charging. If you leave it a bit longer, the bar will move slowly up. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video. Bye.